Today, I'm going to show you a quick run through of how to use our First Call Parts website. First, you can either search for firstcallparts.com in your browser, or if you have a bookmark, you can simply click on that. I'm going to type in First Call Parts and search through Google, and we can find us there. We click on this, and this will bring you to our First Call Parts website. The first thing that you're going to want to do is log in, and you'll know that you're not logged in when you see this login button here and the icon of just a generic person. So we're going to go ahead and click on log in, and it might keep a previous username here. If it doesn't auto-populate, you'll just type in what your username will be, which is your email address. And then you'll type in what your password will be and click login. And then you'll know that you're logged in when your name appears and the name of your company appears just below it. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to your order history. If you click on orders, it'll give you a comprehensive list of all orders placed with First Call Parts, not just online, but through traditional means as well. And you can go and search through with the newest order on top, or you can search by your purchase order number, find the order that you're looking for tracking and whatnot, and then you'll click on it. For example, this order here, we can find our core exchange RMA number here. Our tracking information, our tracking number, if you click on the link here, it will take you to the FedEx or UPS website with up-to-date shipping information and its progress. Scrolling down, we get a rundown, just a synopsis of what the order entailed, where it shipped to, the part number, description, the condition, how many were ordered, and the price. Additionally, down here, we can click on this RMA button if we want to return an item for restock. We can click here and then simply select unopened or opened and submit, and that will be sent directly to our team of CSRs so that we can work on that RMA, and we will reach back out to the email associated with your account to give you that information. Also, we have a DOA warranty RMA. If we click on this, all of the details are already populated. All you need to do is fill in the description as to why the part failed and hit submit. And again, it will be sent to us to work on immediately, and we'll get back to you as well with that information. Now, when we want to search for a part, we have a part request and a part number. We search here, click enter. And then we scroll down and we can verify the part number is correct in the description. You can click view, or you click on the picture. It's going to take you directly to the product details. Below here, once you're signed in, you'll be able to see additional information on the part, weights and dimensions. Those can be found even if you're not already logged in. However, what you will not see is this installation instructions tab. This particular part here doesn't have any specific instructions since it's basically a plug and play part. We can look up an example of a part that we do have some installation details for. As you can see, we have this is a Word document with just written instruction on installation. And then we have a link to a YouTube video, which is for the collimator light field adjustment instruction that you can watch and follow along. Going back to our previous part, and just a side note, if you're searching for Phillips parts, you'll want to remove any dashes or spaces and just the 12 digits associated with that Phillips part. And if nothing comes up, you can try to drop that last digit for the revision and see if you get any results that way with compatible parts. But moving back to the foot switch that we were just looking at, we can confirm that this is the part that we need. We're satisfied with the price, the condition. We see that it's in stock and it's on exchange. We can add to cart. If, for example, you search for a part and it's not in stock, what you'll see is this request availability button. And what you can do is click on that. Your phone number will be sent to us. We'll also have your email address. Some accounts prefer to be replied to via email. And then you submit, and that will send us an email as well. And at that point, we'll check with our team of engineers at our warehouse to see if we have the requested part available on one of our working test bays so that we can work on that part request and get back to you immediately. Moving back to our part that we have in our cart, if we click on our cart icon, we can move over to view our product details and proceed to checkout here. What we can do now is select the address that we want to ship to, or we can create a new one. We'll go to next. And here we're going to decide on our shipping method, how we want it shipped, FedEx, UPS, or escalated courier on our account. Our account meaning you, the customer, or if we want to ship on First Call Parts account and bill you those charges. So what it's going to do, it's going to auto-populate the attention to as your name on the account, but you can change this to any FE or engineer out in the field who will be receiving this part, a contact phone number in case any delays or anything come up that we need to notify you. And then your options are going to be ship and add to my invoice. That is what we ship on our account and bill you the charges. And here you can see a rundown of what those shipping charges will be. If you select any of these options, you can ship on my account. If you have a FedEx or UPS account already on file, you can select from this drop down here or add a new account and then select an option for that delivery. Or you can do an escalated shipment, and then it'll ask you if you want it to be arranged by us. And at that point, we take all the information on the account here, the attention to, the contact number, the address up here, and we arrange the shipment. If it's arranged by you, the customer, we just need to know a few details. We ask if you could provide the job number, courier company name, driver's phone number. But what we do require is a pickup time. And we'll need about 90 minutes after the order is placed just to come in, get everything processed, and out for the courier driver to pick up. So what we'll do is we'll move along with ship and add to my invoice. Just for an example here. One thing I would like to mention is our cutoff times for FedEx and UPS. Monday through Friday, we can ship FedEx until 6 p.m. Eastern Time and UPS until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Anything after 7:30 will need to be escalated or courier, or anything placed after those cutoff times for FedEx or UPS will be shipped the next business day. And then on Saturday and Sunday, all orders will be courier only, but orders can be placed 24/7, 365. We have an on-call team that is here to immediately respond to any requests that come in, however they come through. And lastly, the last field here is the tracking information recipients. And this is going to populate with the email associated with your account, but you can also add up to 4 emails, or you can remove yours and add 5 completely different emails in here, and each one will receive tracking information once that's populated. So moving on, it comes up with a credit card information, but most of our customers use purchase orders. All that we require here is a purchase order number. That could be a temporary PO or a permanent PO number. If you have a purchase order hard copy, it can also be uploaded here. Once this is complete, you simply click Place Order, and you have your order confirmation here. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always reach out to us at our toll-free number 800-782-0003 or our phone number 540-375-6733. Or you can email us at parts@firstcallparts.com, where we will all see the email and we will respond immediately. Thanks for watching.